Hi all, let's check how to read email in C Sharp. Here I created a sample console application for reading email from our server. For that you have to import openpub.net namespace, browse openpub.net and install it. After that import this namespace in your class, then create a object for Pop3Client and assign your username and password. Username is nothing but your email ID. Then connect server using Open3 Client object. I am using Outlook server with 995 port number. Then authenticate your username and password. Once authentication success, you will get total count of email in message box. And I had created an object for pop email class list. In this pop email class, I declared a message number from subject, body, dates, and attachment properties. In this attachment class, three more properties are there: file name, content type, and content. Now going to read mails from last till total number of mails received. Here get message by using get message method, assigning message number to get detailed mail, then assigning subject, dates, and address message number to pop email class properties, same as body and attachments. Let's check it by running. Here I am getting 168 count. That is 168 mails are there in my inbox. Subject of the mail, message number, date sent, body. I'm getting body as a HTML format. If there is any attachment available, it will assign to your file name, content type, and content property. Then adding the email object to our list. Now getting values in our list, same as like other mails. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.